In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Webflow site performance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Webflow and which settings to enable, so your pages load faster, feel snappier, and rank better. First, head to your selected project settings. From your Webflow dashboard, open the project you want to optimize and go straight into its settings area. We'll do all of our performance work from here, so make sure you're inside the correct project before moving on. Next, click on Site Settings. This is the central hub for your project's configuration. Think of it as the control panel where you manage everything that affects how your site is built and delivered. We're not changing any design here, only how the site is packaged and served to visitors. Now, click on Publishing. This section controls how Webflow compiles and ships your site to the web. The options we want live under the performance area, and toggling them on tells Webflow to deliver smaller, leaner files that reach the browser faster. Under performance, enable the following options. Turn on asynchronously load JavaScript. This lets the browser continue rendering your page while JavaScript files are fetched in the background, reducing the chance that scripts block the initial paint. Then enable minify HTML. This strips out extra spaces and comments, sending a compact version of your markup. Do the same for minify CSS and minify JS. Minification removes unnecessary characters from your styles and scripts, shrinking file sizes without changing functionality. Finally, turn on per page CSS. This tells Webflow to deliver only the styles needed for each page instead of shipping the entire site style sheet everywhere, which reduces unused CSS and speeds up rendering. A quick tip as you enable these: if you rely on custom code or specific script order, test your pages after turning on asynchronous loading and minification. Most sites see immediate wins with these settings, but it's smart to confirm animations, forms, and interactive components behave as expected. Why this improves performance is simple. Smaller, optimized files download faster, parse faster, and block less. Asynchronous JavaScript helps the browser show visible content sooner. Minified HTML, CSS, and JS reduce payloads across every visit. And per-page CSS prevents the browser from wading through styles it never needs. Together, these changes lower time to first render and time to interactive, which leads to a smoother experience and better SEO signals. That's it. You've targeted the highest impact built-in optimizations in Webflow. Save your changes, publish when you're ready, and enjoy a faster site. Congratulations.